I'm showing you how to make pan-grilled salmon with a creamy chipotle sauce featuring premium salmon from this video's sponsor, MOWI Salmon.
This elevated dish is surprisingly quick and easy to prepare. Salmon is seasoned before being pan-seared in a skillet and served with a quick homemade chipotle cream sauce.
For this recipe, I'm using MOWI Salmon's convenient 12-ounce pack that includes 2 6-ounce portions of fresh, never frozen Atlantic salmon. MOWI offers several different varieties of salmon, from plain to pre-seasoned to large quantities to burgers and patties and more, all to keep things convenient for you. But for this recipe, we're starting with plain salmon.
MOWI uses an exclusive skin pack packaging that adheres tightly to the salmon, sealing it to enhance the quality and freshness, and it's easy to remove with a knife.
The first thing we're going to do is season the salmon before searing it in a skillet. For the seasoning blend, I'm using a mixture of chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, along with some freshly cracked salt and pepper.
After removing the salmon skin, I'm going to season both sides with the seasoning blend I showed you earlier.
Now that we're seasoned, it's time to sear the salmon. This is a really quick process and you can't go wrong thanks to the quality of MOWI salmon, which you can see and taste in every bite.
To sear the salmon, heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Place the salmon in the pan and cook for 5 minutes. Flip and cook for an additional 5 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the salmon to a plate and keep warm.
The next step is to make the creamy chipotle sauce. The chipotle makes the sauce a little bit smoky and a little bit spicy, while the creamy ingredients help temper the heat.
In a blender or food processor, add 1 cup chicken broth, 1/2 cup sour cream, 1/4 cup heavy cream, and 1 to 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce from a can. The amount of peppers you choose will determine how much of a kick the sauce has. Blend until the peppers are pureed and the sauce is well mixed.
We're going to simmer the sauce in the same skillet we seared the salmon.
Add the creamy chipotle mixture to the skillet. Cook over medium-low heat, scraping the bottom of the pan to loosen any brown bits. Bring to a simmer and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until thickened. Now that the sauce is done, it's time to plate our pan-grilled salmon with creamy chipotle sauce. Serve the seared salmon over rice and top generously with the creamy chipotle sauce. Sprinkle with chopped cilantro as a final garnish.
My mouth is watering. I can't wait to give this a try. This is so good. Absolutely crave-worthy. And it presents so beautifully that you'd never guess how quick and easy it is to make.
Look how lovely this is. MOWI Salmon's vibrant color, exquisite texture, and signature marbling are just a few of the reasons I love it, on top of the great taste and the fact that it's a nutritional powerhouse. Find MOWI Salmon products on Amazon and Instacart.
If you enjoyed this recipe video, please subscribe to our channel. And then if you plan to try this one, let us know in the comments and then come back and let us know what you think.